Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be putting Aveeno's Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser to the test with Aveeno's Clear Complexion Cream Cleanser. So we are going to see which one you should buy. With that being said, Aveeno's Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser will run you $6.79, and Aveeno's Clear Complexion Cream Cleanser will run you I think $6.39. so this one is a little more expensive, I guess, because it's foam. With that being said, yeah, let's go ahead and swatch both products. We will be swatching Aveeno's Cream Cleanser first. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Bam, that's the tab. And now we are going to swatch the, wait, let me swatch it. I'm like dabbing it, talking about that's a swatch. So that is the cream cleanser. Now let's go ahead and do the foam cleanser. Okay. That's the foam cleanser. Yeah, so those are both swatches. This is Aveeno's cream cleanser. This is the Clear Complexion Cream Cleanser, and this is the Clear Complexion Foam Cleanser. So far I'm liking the foam cleanser. Okay. So the foam cleanser smells like lawn clippings, but like a tropical garden lawn. Like it just smells, it doesn't smell clean, but it smells like grass. I guess you could call it a clean scent. Now let's go ahead and do the cream cleanser. The cream cleanser smells exactly the same. So they both have the same scent, but it's really cooling. I will say that. I may go ahead and use this as a body wash. I mean, look at that foamy action. Look at it. With that being said, I gotta wash my hands and we are about to get into this video. Okay, so the cream cleanser is gonna go on this side and the foam cleanser is gonna go on this side. So let's do this. I mean, the cream cleanser is just gushing out. So I did use about, I would say, a half a tablespoon. So I didn't use too much. Let me go ahead and do a half a tablespoon on this side. There you have it. Okay, so the cream cleanser is feeling way more hydrating, but as I continue to massage them, the foaming cleanser is becoming way more hydrated to the point where I'm like, is this the cream cleanser or is this the cream cleanser? Like the foaming cleanser, the more you rub, becomes way more hydrating. It is amazing how different they are for just a few cents more. I will say, like right now, and I was experiencing this as I was using this in the shower for a few weeks, the cream cleanser does give me a little bit of a slight burning sensation. It's not tingling and leaves on burning, but like I feel like it's working because I've been having a lot of breakouts lately, and these are both like my go-to cleansers. With that being said, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go down my neck, but I have never experienced like that burning with the foaming cleanser. Is that weird or is it just me? Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up for you guys so you can see. So this is the foaming cleanser. Let me turn the light down. There you have it. So this is the foaming cleanser and this is the cream cleanser. I mean, you cannot tell which one is which anymore, and it feels just the same way. That is so amazing. I am gonna go ahead and rinse my face. Okay, you guys, so I am gonna go ahead and rinse my face. I mean, I tried to do this video cute, but it's not gonna be cute. With that being said, let me rinse my face and then we are going to do the close-up. Okay, you guys, so my face is dry. So here is, oh, let me turn the light down because you guys can't see. So here is the Aveeno Foaming Cleanser side. Here's my cheek. And here is the Aveeno Cream Cleanser side. Here's my cheek. Here's my chin. Aveeno Foaming Cleanser, and my other chin, Aveeno Cream Cleanser, and my forehead, Aveeno foaming cleanser and my other forehead Aveeno cream cleanser. Oh my god, it's a lot. I'm gonna just say from now on, foaming cleanser, cream cleanser. So I will say this. On my skin, if you guys could see, let me turn the light down. On my skin, if you could see, like there's a little bit of a dry patch right here. It doesn't look drying, but there's a dry patch, like in the mirror, you could see it. The foaming cleanser, and that's just on the foaming cleanser side. But on the cream cleanser side, there's no dry patches whatsoever. But my face feels much more softer on the foaming cleanser side, and my pores look way better on the cream cleanser side. Like, look at my pores on the cream cleanser side. Don't they look way better as opposed to the foaming cleanser side? What do you guys think? Like, forehead, foaming cleanser, cream cleanser, foaming cleanser, cream cleanser, foaming cleanser, cream cleanser. What do you guys think? We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. Okay, so let's talk about Aveeno's Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser versus Aveeno's Clear Complexion Cream Cleanser. I don't even know why Aveeno did this. Why, Aveeno, did you have to make a cream cleanser and a foam cleanser and just make the foaming cleanser a little bit more expensive? Why did you do that? Why did you have to do it, Aveeno? Why? I guess they wanted to do it for people who wanted a cream cleanser and those who wanted a foam cleanser. I have no clue, but you know, I went into the store and I was genuinely so confused, and I compulsively bought both. Because I'm a Libra, so I feel like, you know how as Libras, sometimes we just get confused, so we want to buy both. With that being said, as I was using both of these cleansers over the course of a few months that I did use these cleansers, what I did notice, because I was having really bad breakouts with all the stress that was going on a few months ago, and what I did notice is that my skincare, like the rest of my skincare, actually preferred the cream cleanser over the foaming cleanser, which means after I would use the Clear Complexion cream cleanser, I would add a toner, then I would go in with an essence, and then I would add 2 serums plus a moisturizer, and I didn't have any ball up, I didn't have any pill up. However, with the foaming cleanser, I just felt like all my skincare just sat on top of my skin. I will say that. I also felt over time with the foaming cleanser, my skin was a bit more hydrating. So if you are willing to spend the money on the foaming cleanser, I will say this, you are going to get way more hydration. You are going to get a better cleanse. I felt that the foaming cleanser did deep cleanse my skin as opposed to the cream cleanser. I also noticed with the cream cleanser, I had way more of a burning sensation when I've used it. When I used it with you guys on camera, I got the same burning sensation. So, you know, if you don't want a burning sensation and you don't like that feeling, then I think the foaming cleanser is a little more gentler than the cream cleanser. I don't know if it means it's working. You know, you guys tell me all the time, if it's burning, it's not working. You need to remove the skincare right away. Some products tingle and burn when they work, you know. Look, I'm just saying, don't dislike this video for my opinion. So I don't know if the burning means it's working or not. So if you are scared of it burning, then I would suggest wholeheartedly you go and spend the extra few cents and go with the foaming cleanser, just so you don't have to experience that burning sensation that the cream cleanser is going to give you. The cream cleanser, like I mentioned, just want to reiterate, this is a little bit more drying than the foam cleanser. If you don't mind it being a little bit drying because you have a really thick moisturizer, you have a really great serum and a really great toner, then I would suggest you go ahead and just, you know, spend a little bit less money and go with the cream cleanser. However, if you want something that's a little bit more hydrating, where you can use a lighter serum, a lighter moisturizer, a lighter essence or toner, then if I was you, I would go with the Aveeno foam cleanser. For me, honestly, which one I would probably use on my face more, I think I would probably use the foamy cleanser on my face more because it's a bit hydrating. But I would still use the cream cleanser for my body. I'm just letting y'all know, because that, you know, I get breakouts on my body all the time, and that cream cleanser, I just love it in the shower. You know what? We can off topic, you guys. That being said, you guys, let me know your thoughts on both cleansers down below. Have you tried both cleansers? What do you think of Aveeno coming out with a cream cleanser and a foamy cleanser just to confuse us, so we can compulsive buy and buy both like I did, and then just spend $12, almost $13 on both products plus tax? What do you guys think of Aveeno doing that? Have you tried both products? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.